Minggu ini kita masih di Kuala Lumpur. Terus mengikuti kami.
We're going to the Batu Caves.
These caves have been here for tens of millions of years, but Hindu have been worshipping here for about 150 years.
To get to the main cavern, we have to hike up all of those stairs.
We gonna do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it!
Yeah. Guys, mom, dad, no kissing. Whoa, I can see the world from up here. The reward is sparkly hands. Okay, we're up.
It's a beautiful cave or caves, and I would love to have been here when it was just kind of the old days when they first started to worship. I think that would be so cool. Now it's a tourist attraction. I mean, there's still a temple. I noticed that all the Hindu that were coming in were taking their shoes off. And if it wasn't for the monkey poo, I would do the same thing. Woo. Somebody
It is
sweaty.
hot, it is humid. We just got done walking through the Batu Caves with what seemed like the rest of Kuala Lumpur. I'm glad we came. It was nice to see, but it wasn't that great.
It wasn't what we expected.
I think it was a little more commercialized than I was hoping for. I was hoping that it was going to be a little more spiritual.
Mommy, mommy, mom.
And it's not that. So now it's time to go down. You can see that right there. We gotta go all the way down the stairs again with the rest of the throng. One of the best ways to meet locals is to sign up for Airbnb Experiences. Farizul offers drone flying classes. I signed up, met him, he taught me a few things and ended up shooting some great footage of Kuala Lumpur. So that was flying drones. There are other experiences you can arrange on Airbnb. Hiking and biking, painting, lots. We chose to go to a cooking experience, but you see, it's not really about the cooking. It's more about the cultural exploration. But it's more than that too. It's about getting through a local's front door. It's about making friends and having my children taste and touch, smell and hear the truth of other cultures. It's about seeing for ourselves that we're all brothers and sisters. Hello.
Welcome. Thank you.
I'm Mike.
Yes, I'm Faizah.
Oh, you're Faizah.
Yes.
Okay.
See, I told you
I
she
thought
was
you were gonna.
Faizah.
I didn't know you were gonna be here. But now I recognize you from the photo.
Yes, because this morning I'm going back to my hometown to visit my grandma.
Uh huh.
Because you come afternoon, they are in the evening, so I have time to come back.
Okay,
Oh,
great.
okay.
Awesome.
All right.
Hi, welcome.
My husband.
Thank you.
How are you?
Good.
I'm doing great.
Come in.
Hi, Renata.
I'm Zainab.
Zainab, nice to meet you.
Me too.
Mm-hmm. Zara, we're gonna get to cook with all these items. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Here we are in our aprons, and Faizah and Zainab are gonna teach us how to cook in Malay style.
Yeah.
Nice Malay dish. We can't wait.
Yes.
You can start in the morning. If you want to cook for lunch, you can start. So you used to see this
of the trading routes.
Isaac does the rice. Faizah takes a picture. Zainab prepares some of the condiments. And
Yeah.
Bella is stirring the sauce, putting the fish in. Zainab and Faizah have been working up with us to make the curry sauce. Come this way. Got this delicious coconut rice. It's almost done. Isaac is stirring up some salad. Look at that delicious salad. Oh. Zainab and Faizah have been really treating us to a lot of good experience here in their kitchen. We've been learning a lot about their food and about Malay culture.
It's so beautiful.
Isaac, I love seeing you cook and stir and mix and toss.
We have curry coconut tuna here, and coconut rice, and then we have
Coconut salad.
a salad.
Yeah.
Not coconut salad.
And then, what is this? We have this dessert right
We
here.
have the dessert.
Vegetable.
And coconut head.
And yummy
Yes, the
juice.
Juice, yes.
But best of all, we have company.
Yes.
We have company and conversation. We're making friends with people on the other side of the world. And you know what
Yes.
we're discovering?
Different side of
They
the
are a
world.
whole lot more like us, and they are different from us.
That's right.
They're using USD.
They're using US
Yeah.
dollar.
They do?
They do.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you don't have to
So
change
I
money.
thought you were already
Just
for
bring your money.
$30.
There is so many Americans there.
People all over the
So
world.
that's
Look at
they use their US dollar as a currency.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
You
currencies.
need don't change
They have their own currencies, Mayor. Mayor money.
because there's a lot of number.
But yeah, but it's too much number. 1,000.
So they go by US
And
dollar.
they also love to use USD, so it's a lot for them.
You miss a lot of money.
Goodbye.
All right.